viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe please, okay? And make sure also you click on the notification button, share the video as well, so that you can be notified whenever we upload new videos. So a big welcome to you one more time. Don't forget, I told you yesterday that we started big promo, very big promo for some of our product, right? So you can as well now place your order now. A lot really coming through right now. And don't forget, we ship everywhere. Europe, UK, all the Asia country, US, Canada, just name it, we ship everywhere. In a quick one, I told you again that we are into a series of oil. So once in a while, if I drop any other video, just because some urgent requests come in, but above that, we're into a series of oils now and how to make perfect oil. When I mean perfect oil, you know that there are some oils that you can customize on your own. Yes, for those of us, because I know a lot of people, they don't use they don't like lotion, they don't like soap either. They'll just say I just need something mild that I can use for my skin, or I just need oil. Fine. Now let me show you the way you can achieve some of those oil. I'll be looking for my phone because I just written them down here. How you can promise a very smart oil. All right. So like, is a breed, you're gonna use organic and carrier oil together, then to achieve what you want. Are you getting? This oil? It's not gonna harm you, rather it's called whitening repair oil. So let's walk through it together. All right, so you will be taking them by percentage or by, let's just follow the measurement. All right, so please listen attentively, and I will put them, or I'll put the description also. I'll put the pictures on the phone for you, so you can see them as the picture popping up. All right, so let's drive. Walk with me. First oil we'll be talking about is Beauty Series. All right, so because Beauty Series, you see, is a kind of oil that I like using most times, also in as much we have fake as well, but Beauty Series is a very nice oil. If you promise it very well, you will see result within days also, because people keep asking that they use it doesn't work. Maybe the other additives you use into your cream and the Beauty Series, maybe that is why it's not really effective. Other than that, Beauty Series is a very lightning oil that I know it works, and it works faster too. Okay, so we'll be using Beauty Series, half of it. We'll be using half of it. So take half of the Beauty Series into a bowl, and then the next one is your rescue oil. Your rescue oil, we have different type of rescue oil, right? So you can just take any one that yes, is original. Okay, so you take half of it also. Take half of the rescue oil. Then you take your body repair oil. Take body repair oil. We have different type of body repair oil. Are you getting it? Yes, that this one is for anti-aging because every oil you see, like as I told you, any oil that you're using that doesn't have a tendency of treating your skin in as much as whitening, I think that oil you should drop it. All right, not just only whitening. There are some oils, they whiten you and they also fix your skin. All right, so take your body repair oil, you take half of it. All right, after all that, next item you're gonna put is your vitamin E. Don't forget that, because it's very necessary that we have to regulate the oil. We have to make it also a moisturizing. Aside that you want to lighten it, you have to make it a moisturizing one. All right, then again we go to Labjanis oil. I love that oil a lot. I love that oil a lot. You know, we have different type of Japanese oil as well. We have the carrot type, and you have the orange type, right? So I think I'm over seeing the coconut type now, right now. That is just, I don't know if it's just new because I just seen it. So also, you take your Japanese oil, take half of it. You will see how amazing this oil is going to turn out. Just take, because now this is a combination, not only lighting, because we're going to breed it up with organic. Let's go. So, and after that, you take half of the Japanese oil. Then you take your Holy Bayou, your 42 hours oil also. Then you take half of it. You know, we have a lot of Holy Bayou. You can use the magic tone, or you can use the magic white. You can use that one. Take half of it, but I just prefer 42. All right, I can take, yeah. Or you can use a Untitled. Untitled is still one of Holy Bayou products, which all of you know most. But right now they're taking it from the market, so it's very hard. Because if you see it, even the price alone wouldn't even want to go there anymore, because something you used to buy for 1,500 or 400 naira or 1 naira, now it's not being sold for 5,000. You wouldn't want to get it, because I know the last time I got it, they were even giving me 6,000 naira for one, which that is ridiculous. I said no. Me, I rather go to the company and go bring a lot of it, because when you go buy from the company, you go buy cheap. You go buy large quantity, they give you cheap in there, right? But even at the company, because of the rate of dollar right now, everybody kind of just freaked out because of the price. So we just surprised about that. So you take your 42 hour, you just use the half of it to the oil, then you use your nano half cast oil. You use one bottle, because I think that is a very nice oil also. Yes, it works. Some people say it does, some people say it works slowly, but I know that oil can turn very fast. If only, I just believe that most of us that are doing this or promising, everybody have their own method, right? Yes, but the reason why all these things turn slow to you is because of your other additives. Yes, in everybody formula is different. So when you come to YouTube like this, you just get just get some formula you go produce. Now everybody really want to come here to drop their recipe for you to take, because they feel to their own understanding that, oh, if I drop my recipe, so you mean these people won't buy. Yes, it can happen like that. I don't blame them. They only try to protect their interest. But then again, that interest you're protecting, I prefer you wouldn't have come drop any video here, right? So instead of you coming here to give people fake formula, you wouldn't have just come at all, that you're protecting your interest. So in a quick one, you use nano half cast oil one in, and now let's go ahead. You use your lemon clay oil. Lemon clay. Use one bottle. Yes, lemon clay, because that one, that is a whitening also, because you know why? Lemon, you see it tone very fast. It has started the tube. Any lotion be made with lemon, unless maybe it's just refilled. Any product that is being made with lemon, if they say, oh, lemon glowing oil, is gonna lighten you. Trust me. You see, trust me. You can see right now, like, I've stopped my lotion for some while, because I really, I told you I'm not really a whitening fan. So, but just because of my fans, they said, oh, come on, we wanted to use the lotion, the new one you did. So they see, and I did it 1 week and it worked. So now that I kind of stopped it, you can see I've stopped it already. So now let's see another one you add to it. You can add your we've talked about lemon clay. I say add one. Now you can add your Kojic Clay. Yes, your Kojic Clay oil. Yes, that is another lightning oil also that you can use one. The ones that say you should use half, don't forget, use half of them. The ones that say you should use one bottle of it. So after your Kojic Clay, you add one. You cannot add your AHA. Of course, you know what AHA oil does, what it do. So you can put just the smaller one. You can put the smaller one, the small bottle. Use it. Yes, you can use that oil. Then again, you cannot use your we'll talk about okay, you can now use your Vit Gold oil, that small one also, or you can use the big one. All right, if you're using the big one, you can just use just only 100 ml. All right, just only 100 ml of that Vit Gold. You can use any of them. You can use the one with Kojic, you can use the one with lemon, or you can use the one with 3-in-1. And but if you're using 3-in-1, you can what you just need just 100 ml of that Vit Gold oil. All right, or you can use the one of snail. You can use that one, but all I just want you to use just 100 ml. Just see how amazing this all of them gonna look like. You hear me? This video is the reason why I'm using all this for you, just because I want you to see how powerful the oil is. This oil is there's no side effect. No, if you have your own blemishes, this oil is going to treat it because of the items you've used before. And a quick one, so like we will be adding our lemon extract, because I told you it's both organic, right? Your lemon extract, how do you do that? You know, you can use any of the, or you can use sunflower oil, you know, that you soak with your lemon, you know, your lemon pea powder, any of the lemon. Then after boiling it or keep it for some weeks, and you extract it from a filter, and then you get your lemon extract. So you can use that oil, use that one just 50 ml. Yes, okay. Then you can add your almond oil, or you can use your either grapeseed oil or lavender oil. All right, fine. So that is all of the oil you're gonna use. All right, so that lemon extract oil is organic, so that one you use 50 ml. So other than that, if you want to use any oil to it, fine, but don't put bleaching oil, please. So this oil that we've just made now, you have to heat it up together with your warmer for 30 minutes, and after that, then you can put it in a bottle, and then you start using it. Trust me, this oil, 1 week you will see results. I know this is kind of a surprise to you, you know, but I just decided to drop it because somebody said something that touched me yesterday, and I felt no, this had to stop. No, let me just use this to clean her tears. So that's why I'm dropping this formula. So please, this formula I just dropped now, give it a try. Give it a try. If you know you can't go through all that, you can ask us to promises for you. We can also do that, you know. So don't forget, we're doing our promo. We're doing our promo for some of our product now, so you can place your order. Whatever you need, you want training, we always give perfect training. You're right. So, and then again, you want us to ship organic items to you, or you want us to ship powders to you, or you want us to ship oils, or you want us to ship soaps. So if you want us to ship all of these for you, we ship them for you wherever, irrespective of wherever you are, we ship them to you. Yes, we've come to the end of the review. Stay with us, stay tuned.